Did we get there, or is there something more?
The question is the energy moving faster, making it happen, is that impacting how quickly things happen and making it more difficult, even for those of us who are understanding the laws of attraction?
That's none of your business.
Okay.
In other words, that was a question pointed toward shooting yourself in the foot.
Wow, I didn't see that.
Is the faster moving energy making it more difficult for me to go in the direction of what I'm wanting? Logically, you can see that the faster moving energy would make it less difficult. The faster moving energy, if you go with the faster moving energy, the faster moving energy makes all things that you desire more possible. Doesn't that make perfect sense given what we were just talking about? But what you're talking about is the faster moving energy makes my contradictory energy stick out in a stronger, more obvious way. Well, is that a good thing or a bad thing? Depends on whether you're in step 1 or step 5. If you're in step 1, where you're still blaming yourself for having been born into a human body, into a sea of contrast out here on the bleeding edge of thought, then that doesn't seem like such a good thing. But to be born into this environment with the energies moving so quickly, to be a creator here in this time and place with the energy moving so rapidly, with the opportunities so great, with your vortex filled with enough things to keep you busy for 20 or 30 lifetimes, these are the best of times, you see. And never has there been a time when the opportunity for satisfaction of alignment, never has it been greater, you see. So yes, there is increased sensitivity, but increased sensitivity to a deliberate creator is music to your ears. It's not a problem. Oh, my guidance system is really working me over these days. Cannot believe how negative emotion I'm having. I wish this train would slow down. I liked it better when I could just be negative all day and didn't feel anything. But you all have asked for this powerful expansion, haven't you? And boy, oh boy, have you got it. And the payoff, moment by moment by moment, is big time for you. These are joyous times of powerful creation. It is thrilling for us to play with you. And we are eager about everything that is before you, not just in these 2 weeks that you will be together, but in all that is before you. Watching you find vibrational alignment with yourselves, and then watching you consciously acknowledging all of these magnificent factors that are coming into play, your hands in the clay. This is a time of joyful creating, and we are all in this together. We will leave you to your fun, and we will eagerly await your return. And meanwhile, we and others like us will be tending to your vortex, so don't worry about anything.
Good.
There is great love here for you. And for now, we are complete. All right.